Hey there, this is Jake, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Lamello Cabineo 12 with Shaper Origin. Let's start over on ShaperHub to download the files. Here I'm on ShaperHub within the hardware catalog, a place where you can find a huge range of different hardware options. Go ahead and search Cabineo, and it'll bring you to this page. All the relevant information for the hardware installation, including a thumbnail of what the cut file looks like. And included in the download is a PDF for the manufacturer installation guide. Let's go ahead and sync to my files and back over to Origin. Today I'm working on plate. This is my go-to for these repeatable hardware options. Bring my Origin in. Everything's already scanned and gridded, and I can import my Cabineo. Right there at the top, Cabineo 12, and I have a couple options: surface mount, flush cap mount, flush mount, and the corresponding hole. Let's just do the flush mount. For positioning, I like to use the position feature, and this gets dropped right on the edge of your material. So we're going to go Y negative 50 millimeters. That negative 50 millimeters corresponds with exactly where the front of this fence is. So let's go ahead and line things up and cut our first Cabineo. Aligning plate to my pencil mark, retracting that fence so I don't cut into it. I want to be sure to Z-touch directly off of my material. And today I'm going to be using AutoPass. You can do this with or without. And it's two cuts, a really shallow one at 0.8 millimeters for the flush mount. And then the next one over is deeper for the actual body of the hardware. Let's get cutting. Now, because of the size of my bit, I might have just a little bit of material that I need to pop off with a chisel where the bit didn't cut. Clear that out. And take our hardware. And these are knockdown or knock-in hardware. So they have ridges on the side of the hardware to hold it in place. There we go. Flush mount. Repeat for your next side. Deploy the fence. Line that up with your mark. Don't forget to retract because we are cutting outside of our material. And repeat the process. All right. Line that up. Smack it in. There we go. Now we're ready to cut the corresponding holes on the mating part. We're starting to build cabinets. Thanks so much for watching.